I'm head of the Estonian delegation in the European Parliament's People's Party group. My name is Tunne Kelam, and I would like to voice my opinion about the declaration of the EPP Political Assembly on the situation in Slovenia. Slovenians are our close friends, and we have been working with them for nearly 10 years. And I share the expression of worrying about the situation in Slovenia during the past few years. There are signs of political processes, and I fully support the declaration of the Political Assembly of the EPP that there's a politically motivated trial about the former Prime Minister Janez Janša, who has done a great work in introducing Slovenia to the European society. Slovenia is experiencing a serious financial and economic crisis, and the country obviously needs to unite all the forces to overcome it. Internal struggling and using political means to influence courts does not serve this purpose. We are very eager to help Slovenia, but the main task belongs to the Slovenians themselves. I think part of the process is to address the past. We are worried too that the name of former Yugoslavian dictator Tita has been reintroduced into Ljubljano, that former communist leaders have been made a sort of pop heroes in today's society, forgetting about their crimes, about bloodshed, at the same time when still hundreds of victims and hidden mass graves have been exposed in Slovenia. You need to address the past, and this is a lack of clear political and moral assessment for the crimes of the communist dictatorship that obstacles our way toward a better future. And my call on all Slovenians as friends will be to unite their forces on the democratic basis, to unite your forces to achieve together overcoming of the past and build the new future on the democratic basis of a rule of law society. Good luck and all the best to you.